So earlier today, naka-receive ako ng call from JRS and of course they were looking for message speaking and they said, nasa bahay ba ako? Naisip ko bigla, teka lang, wala naman akong order sa Shopee or sa Lazada. Pero lo and behold, after a few minutes, nandiyan na sila sa harapan ng bahay namin and I got this. My name is Jacqui and welcome to my YouTube channel, Jacqui of All Trades. Sauce, mushroom, chansons, lotion, green peas, cotton. And then I also have ideas of FHMoms. Tapos, what? And have a little bit here. And I have Ajinomoto coffee, soy milk, rice milk. Ano yan? Ang piraso. Thank you. Moving forward. So dahil dyan, nagpapasalamat ako sa aking FHMoms or Filipina Home-Based Moms family. I'm really excited to get on board as your new customer service trainer. Excited na ako for our live Q&A on Saturday. And parang very timely welcome gift ito. My family is very happy. Actually, nag-iisip na nga ako, ano bang lulutuin ko sa oyster sauce. So, but anyway, thank you, Mommy MK, and thank you for all the FHMoms. God bless you all and have a great day. Bye! At the end of the day, sabi ko nga, it's all about His glory, God and God alone. With that, thank you very much for watching. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Please do watch my videos and give me comments. Like it if you like those videos as well. Bye!